In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the region map views. Now, in order to use the region map view, you have to have created regions. And by default, we have sales territories assigned to districts and districts to regions. And you can change that terminology in the AlignMix options. Here in this file, we've already imported a full hierarchy. So all territories are assigned to districts and districts to regions. There's two ways that you can access the region map view. The first way is from the home menu. You click here on the Add View button, select Maps, and then you can select Region Map View, and then the Region Map View will appear on the screen. So let's close out of this tab here, and now let's access a Region Map View the second way. And you do that by clicking here on the plus button, and now here under the Map section, you click here under Regions. And again, that will bring you to that same region map. By default, the number here in the center of every region is showing you the span of control, which is the total number of districts that are assigned to each region. And you can customize your region labels and configure layers the same way you would change your territory and district labels. And while in this view, you can navigate the same way you do in any other map. You can use the pan tool to move around, you can use the scroll wheel to zoom in, or even use the zoom in tool to stretch out an area to zoom into that section. You can even display your accounts in a region map view by clicking on layers and then turning on the accounts so you can see where they all exist. Anything that you can customize and view in the territory map view and district map view, you can do the same thing here at the region map view. And there you go. You've just learned how to access the region map view in AlignMix.